Today we are going to see second unit of Java and Internet Programming. In this lecture, we are going to see data types, operators, expressions, flow control, classes, and packages in Java. Let's see one by one. First one is data types. The type of a data. In Java, there are two broad categories of data types, primitive and non-primitive data types. Under primitive data types, numeric and non-numeric categories are there. Numeric includes integer and floating point. The non-numeric data types includes character, boolean. Non-primitive data types are strings, arrays, and user-defined classes. The main difference between Java and other C and C++ are the size allocated for each data type. In Java, the byte data type occupies 8 bits, that is 1 byte. Short occupies 16 bits. This is an example for data types. Here the string is assigned with various data types and we are assigning the values to the data types according to that. Integer occupies I is an integer and it will have initially it will have 0 and then it will assign with the given string variable. You can use any other program for this example. Next is operators in Java. There are various types of operators in Java. Are similar to C and C++. They are arithmetic operators, relational, logical, ternary, shift, bitwise operator, and assignment unary operators. Most of them are similar in C and C++. Only the ternary operator is different from C and C++, and the shift operators are also differ from C and C++. Let's see one by one. First one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. The increment and decrement operators are coming under unary operators. This is an example for arithmetic operators. This program is an example. Here we are having A, B, C, D and D values. This addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Here you will see the output. This is the addition output. This is the output of subtraction, multiplication, division and all. Next see unary operators, increment and decrement operators. The plus plus is for increment operator, minus minus is for decrement operator. The plus plus, if the variable if the expression is written like this is called postfix expression. That is, the variable comes before to the increment operator. If it comes next to the increment operator is prefix operator, prefix increment. Like that we are having decrement operator also. If it is postfix increment, it adds 1 to x and return the old value. If it is prefix increment, it adds 1 to x and return the new value. That is, it will return the value after updation. Similarly, post decrement also works. Here, this is an example for increment and decrement operator. Here, 10 into x plus plus. Here, first it will take the value as 11 and perform the operation, and the value will be updated next. This is pre-increment. And then perform the calculation and update the value. Okay. Next is relational operator. Relational operators are less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to, we will check some equalities. Here these are the expressions and these are the meanings for that expression: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Next is logical operator. Logical and, or, not are logical operators. It will have the truth table. These are all the truth tables. This is the example for logical operators. The output is shown here. It will check whether a is less than or equal to 20. According to that, it will show the output. This is the output for